One thing that I'd like to highlight, sir, na-mention niyo rin kanina yung affordability. Bukod sa safety, sa comfort, sa convenience, gusto ng pasahero transparency.
Yes. So, pickup is very proud because one thing from the beginning that we would like to establish is to build trust. And we would like to show that we actually would like to show a full transparency in terms of pricing na gusto namin i-detail natin kung saan ba yung, ano ba yung mga binabayaran ng ating mga pasahero, saan nagpupunta yon. So they'll be able to see, ito pala yan para dito at para saan. So they will be able to be comfortable na napipil nila na nagtitiwala sila kung bakit deserving na kailangan nilang sumakay sa pick-up. No? So, kailangan silang pick-upin ng pick-up. Di ba?
Ang nangyari yung napaka-catchy
Okay.
ng name eh. Kasi you're gonna get pick-up ng pick-up.
Yes,
Sabi
oo.
naging